let's open these up and see what we've got here. It's always very exciting when parcels arrive from MintBuilder, because it's a little bit like Christmas. You don't really know what you're going to get. I know that there are some orders that I've ordered here, but let's just have a look and see what's here. Yes, here we go. So what we have here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 silver Britannias, a 10-ounce bar of silver, sorry, 6 silver Britannias. Is that 6 or 5? 5, I was correct the first time. And a 1 gram bar of gold, which is perfect. So that was that's one order that I've placed, and of course I'm buying these from MintBuilder at the prices that you wouldn't believe. The prices are pretty phenomenal, which is why I tend to buy silver from. And here's one of the limited edition koalas that we have been receiving, and these are fantastic coins. So let's just have a quick look at one of these. And there's me, I've broken the bag, but that's no big deal, because I don't keep them in the bags anyway. So now these were a limited edition coin. Only 3,900 of these were struck in 2016, and the P indicates that it's a Perth Mint coin, and obviously it's a special certificate. It's a 1 ounce pure silver, and it's high relief, so you can actually see that the coin is actually almost indented, and that looks like a really high relief image of Her Majesty. Of course, the official NGC grading on there, and in the sealed and encapsulated case. And that's a lovely coin to add into my collection, so that's really nice. And I think we might have another one of those here, so let's just have a look and see what we've got. It's important that I check to see if there's any paperwork in that envelope. Yeah, maybe, I don't know. Let's have a look here, see what we've got. Yep. And I think this is another one of the same thing. Yes, indeed. So we've got another koala. Again, these coins will go up in value as time goes on. I've got some of these coins that have increased by 1100% in their value over the years that I've had them. So this is a big parcel, and let's have a look and see what we've got in here. As I said, it's always very exciting to get deliveries from MintBuilder, because often as not you order things and you forget what you've ordered. But feeling I know what this is, but let's have a look. Yes, here we go. Isn't that a nice sight when all that silver spills out onto the table? So I ordered here a large number of Britannia coins, and the reason that I buy the Britannia bullion is because it's capital gains tax free, which means that in years to come, if and when I sell these coins, I won't have to pay any capital gains tax, which is a tax that we pay here in the UK on profits on investments, like property and things like that. But there are some investment vehicles such as these which are free from that, which means, you know, I could make 1,000% profit on these down the road, and not ever have to pay 1 cent in capital gains tax, which is a really nice thing. So there we are. We've had a nice delivery this morning from MintBuilder. Another bunch of silver to add into my some gold to add into my stack, and I just wanted to show you that so that you you get an idea of what MintBuilder can offer you. And it's always nice when you come into work and I get my things delivered at work. When you come into work and you get all your items delivered. So there we are. That's an unboxing of a bunch of bullion and some graded fine mint coins from MintBuilder. A great business opportunity and an absolutely fabulous way to save for the future. Far, far better than putting money in the bank. This is wealth that I own, that I hold. It's tangible assets and it's unaffected by the volatility of the financial markets. So there we go. Until next time.